The AS9 Huntsman is a modern Australian self-propelled howitzer, based on the highly successful South Korean K9 Thunder system. Designed to provide mobile artillery support, the AS9 is capable of delivering highly accurate strikes over long distances, while ensuring a high degree of protection for its crew. Selected by the Australian Defence Force under the Land 8116 Phase 1 program, the AS9 is set to replace the aging towed artillery systems and significantly enhance Australia's artillery capabilities. One of the key features of the AS9 Huntsman is its powerful 155mm howitzer, which can fire both conventional and guided projectiles. The maximum range of this artillery system reaches up to 40 km with standard ammunition and up to 70 km when using advanced guided munitions with rocket-assisted propulsion. This range makes the AS9 a formidable force on the battlefield, allowing it to engage both stationary and moving targets at great distances. Mobility is a critical advantage of the AS9. Powered by an MTU diesel engine and equipped with a modern suspension system, the Huntsman offers excellent off-road capabilities, allowing it to quickly change firing positions. This agility is essential for avoiding enemy counter-battery fire, as it enables the vehicle to move swiftly across difficult terrains. The AS9 also boasts a semi-automatic loading system, significantly increasing its rate of fire. This feature is particularly useful during prolonged operations, where a higher firing tempo can make a crucial difference. Its advanced fire control system, integrated with GPS and inertial navigation systems, allows the Huntsman to deliver precision strikes even at extreme ranges. Additionally, the AS9 is network-capable, enabling it to coordinate fire missions with other artillery and infantry units, improving battlefield effectiveness. Protection for the crew is another vital feature of the AS9. The vehicle is equipped with modular armor and active protection systems that defend against artillery fragments, small arms fire up to 14.5mm caliber, and anti-tank weaponry. For added defense, a 12.7mm machine gun is mounted on the roof to counter both ground and air threats.